Hey everybody, my name is Dancy Bearded. I am coming to you today from the Dr. Nick's Amazing Man Stuff YouTube channel. This is a series where I will be creating content for them, and we're going to call this the Doctor's Directions. We're going to go over relevant topics to this company having to do with their beard products and really just beard topics in general. Today, I want to talk about their unscented beard butter and how you can turn this into any scented butter that you would like. So they sell a 4-ounce unscented beard butter. Absolutely amazing. So smooth, so nourishing. Easily one of the best beard butters I personally have ever used. But they have it unscented, and some people have had questions about that. This is not something that was because of not thinking or an afterthought. Dr. Nick's purposely wanted to have an unscented for a few reasons. One, they know a lot of people like unscented products, prefer unscented products. A lot of people use beard butter at night and maybe they don't want to smell when they go to bed. But they also know that there is a way to turn this to a scented product, and they've left the door open for specifically scented butters in the future if the demand is there. This company really takes pride in listening to its consumers, so please reach out to them if this is something that you're like adamant about, like I have to have number 7 in beard butter. That does sound kind of good, but let them know, reach out to them. But very simple, how can you turn this beard butter into a scented beard butter with any beard oil you have? Easy. Scoop out your desired amount of beard butter, place it in your hand. Before you melt it down, just add a couple of drops of any beard oil. Let's say it is number 7 from Dr. Nick's. In hand, then you melt it down, you place it in your beard, and now you have a scented beard butter. Does this change the butter? Not really. Might make it a little bit lighter, a little bit smoother, but it's not going to do any like drastic changes to it because, especially if you're using the same company, those oils are already in the butter and you're just kind of making it just a little bit thinner, but you are adding in a really nice scent profile to the butter. Now, another method could be applying the oil first that's scented, then the butter after. The butter is going to mute it a little bit, but it's not going to take away the scent completely. There is a little bit of wiggle room there to be able to get some scent out of an unscented butter. So down in the comments, do you guys prefer unscented butter on its own? Do you prefer adding whatever oil you would like to an unscented butter, which Dr. Nick's believes might save you money instead of having to buy a matching pair every time? Maybe this is a really good benefit for you guys. Or are you like, nope, don't want to hear it. I do need to have scented matching beard butters. Let them know down below in the comments. And thank you guys for watching today. If you haven't subscribed and you made it this far, please consider it. And I'll see you guys on the next one.